I give everybody that I sell a trailer to one of these really nice canvas bags. They come in handy. Good morning. Thank you for taking a look at this video today. I'm Barbara D at Guaranty RV. We're located in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to talk with you about a Coachmen product, a Coachmen Apex 191 RBS. And the RBS is rear bath with a slide. Now we've ordered an extreme package for a lot of our Apex models, and that adds solar, and it adds a number of other things. We have a sealed underbelly that's heated, 20,000 BTU forced air heater. These are really outfitted nicely. They have slam latch hinges, which means that you've got a magnet to hold the door up. We've got a very nice pass-through. As you enter into the RV, what you're going to see is a nice walk-around bed. A really nice one, with cabinets on each side. And then just from there, they've got a dedicated dinette that could be made down into a bed if it was maybe grandma and grandpa and a couple grandkids. Full-size refrigerator, lots of storage in the bathroom. It's got a great layout. You come in, you've got this nice living area. You go to the back, you've got a lovely kitchen, and then a big bathroom in the back. So this has solar, it has an enclosed and heated underbelly, and it has a terrific price point. I'd love to tell you more about it. And if you would just take a moment out to call me, Barbara D at Guaranty RV, I always answer my cell phone. So this is something that you can get into for a very reasonable payment, and I want to tell you more about it. Call Barb. I'm at 541-521-4232 here in Junction City, Oregon. Thanks so much.